He pō whakahirahira tēnei mo te whakataetai whitipōro wahine i te tai rāwhiti. Koinei te kēmu pō tuatahi mo ngā wāhine, ki raro i ngā raiti, ko Hikurangi maidens, ko Tokorārangi, kei te mora o te ahi. So how does it feel coming into tonight's game, knowing that it's the first ever under the lights?
Yeah, it's pretty surreal, really. We've had lights for ever since we've been here. We've been here for about 6 years now at Kāhui Tara, our home ground. So, but in the last 2 years, we've upgraded our lights, so we feel like we were pretty prepared to host a night game. We weren't sure when, but Tokorārangi put out the call to us, so we honoured that, and well, here we are today. Well, tonight, I should say.
Cool. And what do you think this does for women's rugby in general?
Well, I know for a lot of our players, all the women players, there's a lot of mums that miss out on their kids' Saturday sport. So having this option on a Friday night is pretty good, and also you get to keep your weekend, keep your Saturday free, keep your Sunday free to do whatever else. So I think it just gives us another option.
They've got backs out wide. They send it out wide. That's Reihana Wiley sending it out again. Ria gets the pass away. They send it out to their winger. He'll go down the sideline, will she? In the corner here. She'll come around behind the post. Big numbers out wide here. They come out now. No, they put a kick in. Bounce is going to be interesting. It bounces out wide. Tokorārangi getting back there. It's picked up here by a Hikurangi player. I think that's Collins who'll go around behind the post. Another try there. On attack here. Oh, they get the pass out to Luke down the sideline. She'll get a 5-pointer here for Tokorārangi. It's still at the back here. Collins has a drive herself. Driven backwards. Another pick and go here from Parata. Oh, beautiful. Try is given.
I think it was just a privilege to be a part of it, Be a part of this historic moment. And seeing everyone just try their hardest tonight, trying to score tries, kicking it everywhere. I thought it was soccer for a bit. But no, really cool. I think all the teams from the coast have players from everywhere. It's just so buzzy to be a part of a province that does that. In every other province that I've played for, we've never had people come from Tauranga or Hamilton or Rotorua, Whakatane to come and be a part of this. And I can honestly say it's probably the most famous rugby I've ever played. Like I feel like it's like a World Cup. Like rugby is just everything here. Horse riding is everything. And you can see the crowd tonight. Everyone is here. And outside, it's not like that. It's not as passionate as it is on the coast. So I love it, It's cool to be a part of.